Hi, I am Akhilesh, co-founder and COO for GoTo.
Hi, I am Harsh, co-founder and CEO for GoTo.
So Harsh, what problem we are solving for India?
Well, we are solving the problem of 20 million daily commuters who travel from one city to another city through public transport, and they use buses for the same. And while they are using intercity buses to travel, they waste 1.5x additional time rather than actual time required to travel by cars and cabs. When I calculate this 1.5x additional time into the hours, so on daily basis, these 20 million people are wasting 30 million hours. And if I calculate these 30 million hours into the days or years, so this comes out as 3,413 years every day. So imagine if this time is saved, what would be the productivity of these people and what would be the growth for India as well. Now let's come on to some fact. Our State Road Transportation Minister, Mr. Nitin Gadkari, has recently stated that 90% people who do not have car use public road transportation for intercity travel. In this statement, he also said that India needs 30 lakh buses for transport, but as of now, we have only 3 lakhs. Out of these 3 lakhs, 1.5 lakhs are held by state road transportation and 1.5 lakh buses are with the private bus operators. So these state road transportations for 1.5 lakh buses, it is really overpacked. It is always just like condition like anything else. But for private fleets, the occupancy ratio is less than 50%. We have lot of demand available. We have 10% supply for the same. State road transportation is performing like anything else, then why private bus operators are not able to even maintain the viability to run their business? So the basic reason behind is that these private bus operators do not get the customers en route. Once their bus has started their journey from the origin point, so they do not get any passenger in between from the non-metro cities, from the rural areas or from tier 3, tier 4 cities. Why? Because there is no communication system between the customers living in those areas and the bus operators, and as well as there is no real-time navigation system through that they can track these kind of buses. So for the same, we have launched our GoTo app, which is first ever real-time intercity bus booking app, which let you board buses from your nearest point, and you do deboard the buses as well nearest to your destination. We show the expected time of arrival of the buses to your nearest point, and we also show the expected time of arrival to your deboarding point as well. And this is all a real-time theory. Now, why we are doing the real-time theory in intercity public road transportation? Almost 10 years before, Ola and Uber has also sensed the same kind of opportunity in cab segment. So the cab segment in India stands for the 5% people only. And out of these 5% people, Ola has already made his company for $10 billion. Uber has already made himself for $70 billion globally. As far as the yearly opportunity is concerned, so the segment which we are targeting right now for the intercity daily commuters, it is a $8 trillion global market and $52 billion market in India, and it is obviously growing. So we have calculated this opportunity very simply, that there is a 500 rupees average ticket size. We have 365 days in a year, and there are 20 million commuters. So just simply multiply the all and divide it by the dollar rate. So it will come to the $52 billion. Our business model is really simple, whereas we have the high demand and we know that we will be making above the break even point. We use our own exclusive fleet, which is being hired from the fleet owners, and we are paying the daily rental for the infrastructure and as well as for the manpower. on another side, whereas we are not that much popular and we are not able to make the break-even points, we are sharing the inventory with the existing players like Purple. As I already stated that the private bus operators are running on 50% occupancy. So when we go to the shared fleet and we talk with the private players, and so we tell them that we will be giving you the additional customers and we will be charging you the 20%, which is anyways almost 2x for the existing indirect competitors like Redbus. And for the exclusive fleets, we are obviously charging and we are obviously getting 100% of the revenue. As far as our current standing is concerned, we have more than 100 fleets. We have 10 exclusive fleet. We have done 3,000 plus bookings so far. We are looking to do a revenue of $8K in next 3 months. Our future plans are really aggressive, and we are looking to raise $250K in seed, which will enable us to expand in 500 plus cities and 4,500 plus rural areas. We will be doing a $15 million GTV and $2 million in gross revenue, and it will be a runway of 15 months. As far as the team is concerned, so I am Harsh. I am a management graduate. I have worked with Airtel, Tata Sky, and Idea. I have always been involved into the growth hack. We have Akhilesh as a co-founder. He is a BTech. He's an awesome mind as far as UI and UX is concerned. He is into the operations. He is into the sales. He is into the revenue. He is everywhere. We have Fareen, who is co-founder and CTO with us. She is a IIT Bombay AmTech. She is carrying 3 years of work experience as a full stack developer in past. In core team, we also have Shivam. He is from Thapar. He is a full stack developer. We have Deepak. He is also a full stack developer. We have Shruti. She is taking care of the web right now. So this is all about us. I am opening the questions to all of you, and we will answer as much as we can right now. And if you want to connect after this session as well, so you can connect us on the given mail ID on your screen and onto the numbers. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.